Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare interactive brokers versus NinjaTrader, which is better. Follow along to see clear differences in fees, execution, platform tools, and who each broker suits best. I will point out key features like order types, data costs, and mobile versus desktop strengths. Listen for simple examples that show costs and workflow, so you can pick the platform that fits your trading goals and comfort level. Let's compare fees and real costs so you avoid surprises and pick the smarter option. I'll break down commissions, data expenses, and platform fees with clear examples that matter to your P&L. Expect practical notes on minimums, billing cadence, and when a discount or rebate might apply. This section will help you estimate monthly costs and decide which platform gives you more value for the instruments you trade. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical content. Quick recommendation. I've been using these leak-proof containers for meal prep, and they save time and sanity, which pairs well with disciplined trading routines. Check the description for the product link and other deals to grab yours if interested. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Now we focus on features that shape your trading experience and edge. I'll highlight charting, automation, backtesting, and how easy it is to execute complex orders on each platform. Expect a friendly walkthrough of user interface differences, third-party integrations, and which tools help active traders save time. The goal is to match specific platform strengths to your workflow, whether you trade futures, stocks, or options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.